Everyone loves warm, fluffy rice, but what is the secret to cooking it perfectly each time? Introducing the Cuckoo rice cooker, an easy solution for cooking delicious rice at your convenience. The intelligent cooking algorithm is designed to regulate temperature and adjust cooking time accordingly to ensure the best treatment for your rice. The versatile rice cooker has 10 unique menu options, including white, brown, GABA, porridge, and more. The unique My Mode feature provides you with full control over 16 rice textures and flavors. The Keep Warm and Reheat function keeps your rice ready to eat even hours after it finishes cooking. The durable inner pot has a 6-cup capacity and a non-stick coating. This allows you to cook enough for your family and easily clean up afterwards. With a lid locking device and automatic temperature control, Cuckoo puts your safety above all else. The long-lasting built-in battery that illuminates display time when unplugged does not affect the rice cooker function. With the Cuckoo rice cooker, making perfect rice has never been this easy.
This Zojirushi Micom rice cooker and warmer comes with a gorgeous stainless brown exterior finish and 5.5 cups and 10 cups capacity. The machine features fuzzy logic technology and multiple menu settings for cooking not only various types of rice, such as brown rice, sushi rice, and porridge, but moist and delicious cake, or steamed vegetables and fish. The black, thick inner cooking pan distributes heat evenly and is non-stick coated for easy cleaning, and the inner lid is detachable and washable. It also has a built-in retractable power cord, which makes storage easy, and an interchangeable melody or beep signal that notifies you when cooking is complete.
BLACK+DECKER offers a range of rice cookers for every meal size. The 3-cup rice cooker is perfect for 1 or 2 people. You can use up to 1.5 cups dry rice to make 3 cups of cooked rice. Need something bigger? The 6-cup rice cooker is great for small families. It fits up to 3 cups of dry rice and comes with a steaming basket for fish and veggies. For a larger family, the 14-cup rice cooker is ideal. It fits up to 7 cups of dry rice and also includes a steaming basket. If you need a larger meal or want leftovers, go with the 16-cup rice cooker. It can fit up to 8 cups of dried rice and also steams fish and veggies. If you need to make a lot of rice for the holidays or a large gathering, then you'll definitely want the 28-cup rice cooker. It holds up to 14 cups of dry rice and can also make large amounts of fish and veggies. All of the rice cookers have a non-stick, dishwasher-safe cooking bowl. The measurement markings on the inside of the bowl indicate the water level. To make rice with the BLACK+DECKER rice cooker, fill the bowl with water. The amount of water depends on how much you want to cook. A good rule of thumb is 2 cups of water for 1 cup of dry rice. The rice cup will yield about 2 cups of cooked rice. Remember, a rice cup is about 3/4 of a standard cup. After you've added the water, add the rice. Plug in the unit and press the cook button. Cooking takes between 20 to 40 minutes depending on the type and amount of rice. When the rice is done cooking, the unit switches to keep warm, which is not just a safety feature, but also keeps the rice at perfect serving temperature. Be sure to use the included serving spoon because it won't scratch the coating of the bowl. There is a steam vent on the lid. However, you may need to lift the lid occasionally to release excess steam. The rice cooker makes more than just rice. It can make soups, stews, oatmeal, and other slow-cooked meals. If water bubbles up during cooking, take off the lid and stir the rice with the included serving spoon. Adding butter or oil can help prevent bubbling and foaming. If you want to steam fish or veggies, fill the bowl with a couple inches of water. Just make sure it doesn't touch the steaming basket. Put your food in the basket, then cover and cook. It's just that easy with the BLACK+DECKER rice cooker.